Okay, let's start the session. Good morning again, and welcome to today's graduation ceremony. I'm Setare, and it's my absolute pleasure to host this special event, this special celebration. Today, we gather to celebrate the incredible achievement of our graduates who have successfully completed the Moracle Accounting internship program. This milestone would not have been possible without our partnership with ACCA. Collaborating with ACCA has been a tremendous opportunity for us, and we are deeply grateful for their trust, support, and commitment to developing the next generation of accounting professionals. This journey has been made possible through the dedication of our students, the invaluable support of our partners, and the commitment of our team. Over the next hour, you'll hear from the people who have made this program a success, from our graduates themselves, and we'll celebrate each graduate as they receive their certification. So let's begin. I'd like to start by welcoming Sepide Zand, our head of operations at Moracle Foundation. Sepide, along with her team, including Sahel, has been the backbone of this program, always supporting our students every step of the way. Please welcome Sepide.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes. Okay. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Welcome once again to our graduation ceremony. So happy to see you all here. Today is a very big day for us and, of course, for our interns, not just because we are handing out certifications. Today is about progress. It's about showing up, it's about staying committed, finishing something that actually mattered. And to our interns from SCC Advantage, today is for you. Every one of you came here into this program at a different stage of mind, different confidence levels, different expectations. Some of you were sure of yourself, some of you are still figuring things out, and that's exactly what this internship exists. At Moracle Foundation, we don't believe in shortcuts. We believe in building properly skills, mindsets, professional standards, and that's why this internship is not designed to be easy. It's actually designed to be real. You were expected a lot of things during your internship, meeting deadlines, you were expected to communicate professionally, take responsibility for your work. And today, you are here because you did exactly that, and we are proud of you. Uh, I just want to clearly speak about something that is extremely important to us as an organization, and that's ACCA. ACCA is not just a name on your CV. For us, it represents discipline, global standards, and long-term thinking. We truly believe that if you are serious about a career in accounting, registering with ACCA is one of the strongest decisions that you can make. It gives you a structure, it gives you credibility, and it keeps you accountable. And this internship was designed to support you and your ACCA journey. What you experienced here at Moracle Foundation, the exposure, the expectations, the feedback, that's what brings your ACCA studies to life. That's what turns theory into confidence. So if there is one message that I want to leave you with today, it's this. Take your ACCA journey seriously, commit to it, stay consistent, and sorry, don't underestimate what it can do for you and your future. I also want to take this moment to say how proud I am of my team at Moracle Foundation. Behind everything that is happening with every cohort, every induction, every meeting, there is a team that shows up and holds standards high. As Moracle continuing to grow, it's not happening by accident. It happens because of the commitment, care, and a shared belief that me and my team have behind the scenes. So I just want to thank them big time for all their efforts for this internship for ACCA Advantage program. And of course, I want to thank Moracle Limited brilliant finance team. You trusted our interns with real work, real responsibility, real expectations. And that kind of exposure is rare and it makes a difference. And this internship would not be the same without you and your support. So thank you again. And of course, to our partners at Global Impact Foundation, Mandy and the team, I just want to thank you uh, and thank you for reminding us that technical skills uh, they are not alone enough. This program works because it combines accounting knowledge and mindset. And this combination is what creates impact and make this internship unique and valuable. And again, I want to thank ACCA for their support for us, for the students. We appreciate you and we believe that this journey that we are doing, going together is making a difference for our university students. And of course, a word to our graduates. I want to be clear about this. We are not letting you go that easily. From today, you are a part of Moracle Foundation alumni. That means support, guidance, opportunities, wherever we can, whenever we can. And also, it also means a responsibility for you. Now you are representing this program, ACC Advantage, Moracle, and you represent a standard that you were trained under during your internship. So wherever you go next, carry that with you. And finally, I know the new students, the new cohort of ACC Advantage students are here as well. I just want to welcome them and just let you know that you should take this seriously, ask questions, be present, and build habits now that your future self will thank you for. And today we are celebrating you, but more importantly, we believe that sorry, we believe in where you are going next. So again, congratulations to all of our interns and our graduates. Well done. Thank you everyone again for being here. And yeah, back to you, Setara. Thank you.
Thank you, Safida. Next, I'm pleased to introduce Will Lofthouse, sales manager at Digita, Thomson Reuters, for those of our students who extended their internship. You'll have the exciting opportunity to work with Digita and go through their training program. Please welcome Will.
Good morning, everyone, and congratulations to everyone graduating from the Moracle Foundation today. So my name's Will Lofthouse. I'm a sales manager at Thomson Reuters Digita, and I've been with the company for 16 years. During that time, I've had the pleasure of working closely with Morlai and the teams at Moracle Limited and Moracle Foundation, and credit to the great work that everyone does there. So today is a milestone, but it's also a starting line. You're stepping into work where details matter, deadlines are real, and trust is earned kind of one accurate kind of decision at a time. Hopefully you can kind of put into place what you've learned here: discipline, judgment, and professionalism. And that's exactly what will set you apart kind of moving forwards. So looking ahead to 2026, it's a really exciting year actually to kind of step into the accounting profession because the job is changing fast and it needs people like you who can lead that change. I'm sure you're all aware of kind of things like making tax digital and other initiatives to kind of move towards real-time digital reporting. And these aren't just new rules, they're pushing businesses to run cleaner books, adopt better systems, and make decisions from up-to-date numbers rather than just looking at hindsight. At the same time, we've got things like AI, which is moving from a buzzword to an everyday tool, automating routine work, spotting exceptions, and accelerating analysis. So the value of an accountant is shifting upward from preparing information to interpreting it, challenging it, and turning it into action. On behalf of Thomson Reuters Digita, I'm really proud that the foundation uses our tax and accounting software as part of that journey. Tools don't create great professionals, people do, but the right tools to help people work with more confidence, consistency, and care. As you move forwards, keep your standards high and never stop learning. Congratulations once again to all the graduates today. I'm really excited to see what you'll go on and achieve over the course of the next few years. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Will. I know that you have a busy schedule today, so thank you so much for being with us. Next, we are honored to have Louise Graham with us, Head of Education Relationships at ACCA UK. We are, so grateful for this opportunity of collaboration and for ACCA's ongoing support of the Moracle Foundation. Please welcome Louise. And give me a second to just, upload your presentation here.
Thanks, Satiri.
Of course.
Thank you.
No problem.
Good morning, everyone. It's lovely to be here this morning. I missed the last graduation ceremony, so I'm really delighted to be here at the first one. This is the first one that I've attended. It's great to see those that are graduating and those that have just joined the internship as well. I hope that you'll get a lot of positivity from today and a lot of motivation from today for the next few months as you go through the internship programme. I do have just a couple of slides. I just wanted to talk a little bit about ACCA itself. So if we can move on to the next slide. My name's Louise Graham, as Satiri said, and I'm Head of Education Relationships at ACCA. That's not the right deck, Satiri, sorry, there was another one updated after that with the team. It's okay, don't worry about it. I will circulate that later so that everyone on the call can see who the team is at ACCA. We have most of them on the call today. So we have Sayali Pans, who a lot of you will know. And Sayali's been absolutely pivotal in ensuring that this internship programme has went ahead. She's worked really closely with Morlai and the team and continues to do so to make sure that this is a success towards our Advantage programme, which I know that all of you are aware and registered on as well. We also have Stephanie Cook and Paige Walton on the team on the call today as well. We're missing John Madams. I think we have Diana Kokareva on the call as well. Diana deals with our learning provider side of things. So we are a very small team, but a very busy team, and we are so grateful to be involved in such a fantastic programme. The internship programme, we were made aware of it last year, 2024. In fact, sorry, 2 years ago, 2024, and the programme itself just blew us away. The amount of experience that you get, the amount of support that you get throughout the programme, I think is something that is just second to none. And for us at ACCA, it just felt like such a great fit for us to work with. We're really keen to support our students as much as possible through this internship journey and on to membership also. You're part of something which is really something great to be part of, and I just wanted to kind of highlight that today. Being an ACCA student, ACCA has seen nearly 20% growth over the past 2 years. And this is in the UK, so 10,000 new students. Sorry, can we go back to that last slide? Sorry. Satiri, thank you. We have 102,000 members in the UK. So 102,000 members who are fully qualified and out promoting ACCA day to day in their work life. We have a huge growth in ACCA learning sales. So ACCA is not just the actual qualification itself with the exams. There's further certificates and things like that you can do as well. And we work with, learning partners throughout the UK as well. So when you leave the internship programme and you hopefully go on to work for an ACCA employer, you'll work with one of our ACCA approved learning partners. And then you may have the joy of coming across Diana as well, who's in the team as well. So yeah, there's lots to be proud of when you're connected to ACCA and to the Morlai and Moracle Foundation. It's just such a fantastic opportunity for you, and it's really going to set you up so well for anything that you decide to do in your future career. For future members, ACCA really is a launchpad for exciting and varied careers. We have lots of career services, our ACCA Career Service. That's the biggest careers service jobs boards in the world. Relevant, respected, and in demand around the world. We have 117 offices worldwide. We are truly a global organisation and the only truly global accounting professional organisation. Such an increased focus on employability, which is why we work so closely with Morlai and the team, because this internship really, really promotes that. Our members are really ready to create workplace and career impact with the constant continuous professional development that they undertake. And you can have a tailored, flexible learning journey with ACCA. We are about inclusion, and we support you in your journey, whatever that may look like. Being an ACCA member really does open doors across sectors and across geographies. You'll find ACCA members in more sectors of any other professional, any other industry than any other professional body. So we really are, it's a qualification that lends itself to many different careers and career paths. And we're so proud that you're part of that. We're so proud to have worked with Morlai and the team to develop this. Well, Morlai and the team has developed the internship, but to develop our Advantage programme and to be able to include this as part of our Advantage programme as well. Please connect in with all of the team. I think we will share the slides later with all of our LinkedIn handles so that you can connect in with us. I've just noticed on my phone there's a few come in already, so I'm assuming that's from you guys, and that's great. I look forward to seeing how you go on with your journey. Congratulations to those who have completed. I hope that you've enjoyed every minute of it, and I hope that you've got a lot from the internship journey. I'm assuming that is the case. We will hopefully be hosting a face-to-face graduation ceremony in the summertime, and we would love to welcome as many of you to the Adelphi as possible. So yeah, once again from me and the team, thank you so much. And I'm going to pass on now to Sayali and my team. And Sayali, like I say, Sayali's been at the forefront of making sure that this internship really is delivered. So it's only right that Sayali has a few words to say to you all. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks, Louise. I'm just going to quickly jump in, everybody. Can everybody hear me? I'm at a university visit today, but it's an absolute pleasure to join you all on this ceremony. Sitara, can you hear me all right?
Yes, hi.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Perfect. Thank you so much. So guys, from seeing you guys on campuses and then right now when you're graduating, it makes our hearts full of pride for the amazing achievement that you guys have done. I met so many of you at Anglia Ruskin yesterday. That's just one university that is graduating today, but there's so many other university guys that you're graduating. And it's amazing to see from the first day that we saw you to today and this internship with Morlai and Safide, Sitare, the group behind Moracle Foundation, who is building up that confidence in you guys. And it's amazing to see that, okay? Like Louis said, like Morlai is going to say, please keep going on that journey. This is just the beginning. And we are here. ACCA UK is here. ACCA is here to give you the wings. We are the fire with your wings to get you ahead, okay? Morlai, Moracle Foundation is here to support you all. And this is just the beginning. Please do keep in touch. We'll share our LinkedIn profiles, everybody. And let's stay connected. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sayali and Louise. Thank you. I am now pleased to welcome Philippe Bedford, Partner Development Manager at Intuit QuickBooks. Our students are really fortunate to learn about QuickBooks, and I know that all of our graduates have gotten their QuickBooks certificates. So everybody, please welcome Philippe.
Thank you ever so much. Look, first and foremost, I was really honoured to be invited by Satira when she reached out. But I'm blown away. I've got to be honest with you. I mean, seeing we've just reached 100 participants to show you how many there are. And look, I don't take anything for granted. I'm well aware of the great work that ACCA do, and I've got about 200 different accounting firms that I work with across the UK. It's one of the first things that they'll look at when they're looking to recruit anyone in their business because of Obviously, it's a benchmark in the industry, but to hear how much support you're getting from the Moracle Foundation all the way through to what ACCA continue to do, it's really inspiring. And to echo's Will's point, it's an exciting time. It is a fast-moving time. To be in the accounting world now, you're going to be learning all the time. I mean, I'm learning every day, but I really feel the value that accountants get from the pandemic to now. It's elevated massively because how much the accountants and bookkeepers and the industry are seen as financial advisors and really trusted advisors. And my advice to you is keep on your learning journey and look at how you can, keep upskilling yourself to maintain obviously your passion for what you do, but also to give yourself further opportunity. It is moving thick and fast, but I think it's going to complement your learning that you've picked up to date. Particularly, again, not to just reference Will again, but he's mentioned AI and how things and MTD. Yes, you're going to learn as you go, but you're also going speak to me. I can always point you in a direction. But look, as sitting here, I just feel absolutely honoured. Congratulations to everyone, and for those that have just joined, I hope you're as excited as I am when I hear what is available. So good luck to those as well.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Philip. Thank you so much. Next, I'm delighted to introduce Sukesh Sirupati. It's it's absolute honor for Moracle Foundation to be supported by Moracle Limited's mentors. And Sukesh is our Moracle Limited Deputy Practice Executive, and as our student's mentor and teacher, Sukesh is simply the best. His guidance has been instrumental in students' development. So everybody, please welcome Sukesh.
Hi, everyone. Sorry. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. I'm Sukesh, Deputy Practice Executive at Moracle Limited. To start with, first of all, congratulations everyone who have graduated from Moracle Foundation, and thank you Moracle Foundation, and thank you ACCA for having a wonderful ACCA Advantage program. And in today's world, qualifications are not alone enough. To get employment, we need experience. Like I really have personally seen and have experienced this, and also you might have experienced also student getting rejected simply because they don't have experience, even though they are fully qualified. But Moracle Foundation, with the help of ACCA Advantage program, changed this reality to where students not having experience and they're getting experience from Moracle Foundation. And this program gave opportunity to many students over 2 years, where they have got employment in different companies, and we have also examples. And in this program, what you learn, you learn how to work with people and on real accounts, and how to meet deadlines, and also how to handle challenges when you are working with people, and how to communicate professionally, and how to solve real business problems. So we all experience these things. We need all of these things to get employment in different companies. Yeah. And also, I can confidently I can confident can tell that um, you alone cannot get the employment. You need experience where Moracle Foundation gives it. So if you want to get employment with no experience, it's impossible right now. So you have to come to Moracle Foundation and you can learn things that you need to get employment. I can assure that you can go outside and say that I've got experience from Moracle Foundation and this is what I've learned and this is your real life story, so that people can get uh, like employers can get what you have been through and what you have went through and what is your experience. Yeah, that's what you have to mention when you go to your employers. And next thing I want to say is that moving forward, you might have graduated, but this is not the end. It's a journey, like it's a new journey where you have to begin your um, where you have to begin your journey to move into professional life with your knowledge and also with practical experience that you have gained from Moracle Foundation. Yeah, and I also want to thank Moracle Foundation and also ACCA for having this wonderful ACCA Advantage program. And once again, I want to congratulate students that have graduated from Moracle Foundation. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sukesh. Thank you so much. Now I'd like to invite two of our exceptional, graduates to share their experiences with us. I'm so happy for them and really honored to have been part of their journey. First, please welcome Mansoor.
Thank you, Sitara. Thank you for the kind introduction. Good morning, everyone. I'm truly honored to be here today and to represent a cohort at Moracle Foundation graduation ceremony. When I first joined Moracle, I hoped to gain practical experience in accounting and finance and certain programs such as Zero, QuickBooks, Spotlight, and which I certainly did. However, what stood out for me the most was that Moracle focuses more than just a technical task. From the very beginning, there was a strong emphasis on mindset, understanding the business behind the numbers, and building strong foundation for long-term success. One of the things I appreciated most about Moracle is its inclusive and supportive environment. Everyone is encouraged to participate, ask questions, and learn at their own pace, regardless of background and experience. What it does, it creates a space where learners grow with confidence and feel valued as part of the team. During my time, I worked directly on real engagements, such as preparing audit files, walkthroughs, background information, budgeting, among other tasks. This hands-on experience sort of helped me apply what I've learned academically and strengthen my attention to detail and professional judgment. And coming from mainly academic background, this was the first time I truly saw how everything connects in real work and life. Again, working closely with the other interns was also a key part of the growth. Through collaboration, we developed teamwork, communication skills, and one of the most important things, building meaningful professional connections. I would also like to highlight mindset sessions led by Mandy, which had a real impact on how I approach learning and personal development. They've helped shift my perspective from simply completing the task to thinking more intentionally about consistency, discipline, and long-term growth. My sincere thanks to Moracle Foundation and Moracle Limited team for their guidance, time, and commitment and to developing future professionals. The experiences played a key role in my personal and professional growth. Finally, to my fellow interns, it has been a pleasure working, learning, and growing alongside you guys. I'm confident the skills and mindset that we've gained here will support us through our careers. Thank you once again, Moracle Foundation, for this incredible opportunity. And congratulations to everyone graduating today, and good luck with your future endeavors.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mansoor. And so happy for you. And again, congratulations to you. And now please welcome Brenda Kalina, another graduates. Please go ahead, Brenda.
Very much. Thank you. And totally agree with everything that Mansoor said. I'm very grateful to have the opportunity to share my point of view and my experience here on Moracle Foundation, because my final goal is to achieve the ACCA qualification, and actually Moracle Foundation is support me to achieve that, and I'm very grateful for that, because it's like a professional transformation. We're getting new skills like QuickBooks, Zero, Spotlight, getting work experience, remote work experience, because everyone here, I think most of us, we were scared about that gap that we need to fill between university and work experience. So that was an amazing opportunity for me to engage in, have more people around with the same experience. And Moracle Foundation was giving us this opportunity. I'm very grateful, very, very grateful. Even I can close my eyes and hear more like saying, oh, how important is data capture, recording, analyzing, and reconciling. Of course, and another big point here was the mindset. This mindset recognize, the power of subconscious belief. You need to believe in yourself. You need to be aware that repetition is important. So this was amazing experience for me. So thank you very much, guys. I know just Morlai, Mandy, everyone there who been there to answer questions, give advice, give feedback, because here we need to meet deadlines. So we meet the deadlines, we're getting feedback, we know how to improve. That was the very important for me. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Brenda and Mansoor. Next, I'm truly delighted to welcome Mandy Will, co-founder and managing director at Global Impact Foundation. Global Impact Foundation is a vital partner in our program, and Mandy, as all of you know, delivers our mindset program, which is what truly sets this internship apart from other programs. We believe that technical skills combined with the right mindset create unstoppable professionals, and we are so grateful to have a Global Impact Foundation as part of this journey. Please, everybody, welcome Mandy.
Hi, everybody. Well, it's a total pleasure to be here for sure. And I actually want to acknowledge, because we have 107 people in this celebration today, which is absolutely amazing, fabulous. And I want to. There's a lot of things I want to acknowledge. I want to acknowledge, though, first and foremost, Brenda and Mansoor. Do you know why? Because I know you. I know your names. I know your faces. You came onto our sessions, our mindset sessions. You are absolutely engaged, and it's a delight to see you speaking here. With 107 people on this celebration with us all. I don't know everybody. I haven't met everybody. And it's something that we're doing from our end, from Global Impact, in our work with Moracle, to see how we can bring our services better together, I think, to do. Morley and I have known each other for quite some years. Morley is co-founder with Global Impact. We kicked this off, gosh, I don't know, 6 years ago, if not more. And he came to me for some mindset coaching pre that. So, mindset, once I start talking about mindset, I just don't stop. But mindset is the absolute door opener to anything and everything that anybody wants, that you guys want. And all of you, for those of you that are just leaving, for those of you that are just beginning to start, the opportunities that you have in front of you are seen through the current mindset that you have. And Brenda talked a little bit about beliefs, and our subconscious mind. And it's what drives us, guys. It's normally our hidden spot. And in our sessions, we open that hidden spot right out to see what's in there. And only when we know we're in there, we can say, well, we'll have that and we'll keep that, or we'll get rid of something else. And it's a lifelong journey. My mentor was Bob Proctor. He studied mindset. He studied subconscious and conscious mind for 68 years. He never stopped. Every single day he studied. Now, I've only been at it 10 years, okay? And I study every day. I'll never reach the echelons that he reached. But you know what? What I do know is, and somebody else has already said this, every day we can get a little bit better. Every day we can get a little bit better. And if we think about the transformation in the industry, with the new systems, the AI, what's critical, and the new tools that you have access to, do you know what's critical in all of that? The human being that's operating them, and that's you. And how you operate, which is with your mindset, is critical for all of that. So I'm truly blessed actually to be here. It's fabulous to be here with you all. It's fabulous to see you all graduating. And what I want to say at the end is to say, what do I want to say at the end? Didn't really think this through. It is lifelong. It is a lifelong learning process. We all fall off the wagon, guys. We all trip up, and it doesn't matter because that's part of it. So I wish you all well. Those of you are leaving, I absolutely wish you well. Everything is in front of you. You can have anything and everything you want if you use this the right way. And for those of you that are here celebrating those that are leaving because you've just started, wow, I'm just so excited for our journey together. That's for sure. And guys, yeah, farewell. Wish you well. Go and do what you're meant to do. Thank you, Satira.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mandy. I now like to welcome Jordanka. Jordanka was one of our students in previous cohorts, and I'm really happy to see Jordanka's journey from a student to a student's supervisor. Please, everybody, welcome Jordanka.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Thank you for inviting me to speak to this event. And I'm so glad that I'm talking just after Monday because I was just going to say that mindset is the first thing you need to change if you want to, of course. Once you do that, once you change your mind and you set your goals, your C goal, and you decide and you commit to it, then everything is possible. Because yesterday I actually went to one of the career fairs with Mr. Morley, and you can see the difference in people. You can see when they're committed and they have their mindset ready. They're just, ready, signing up, registration, ACCA, everything in. But people that are not too sure, then you can see it in their eyes. You can see they haven't really thought about it properly. So this was one of the quite important things at the beginning of my internship. And I'm so grateful to Mandy because she completely changed my mindset. I was a bit lost at the beginning. So That was really, really helpful. And of course, everyone else from Moracle's team, everyone is so supportive, helpful. Everyone is there when you need them. And I'm so happy, for everyone that has gone through the internship and now are ready to continue their journey. And I'm sure that everyone will get there where they want to be. You just have to, like Mandy said, change it here first. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jordanka. At this moment, I'm delighted to welcome Alex from Spotlight Reporting. Our students are fortunate to learn about Spotlight Reporting software and update their knowledge with the latest tools in the industry. Alex, welcome. We are so glad to have you here. Please go ahead.
Thank you so much, Sarata, and thank you to the Moracle Foundation and for everybody who's spoken today. I'm really proud to be here, and I'm incredibly proud that Spotlight Reporting is part of the journey that you guys are on in this internship. Huge congratulations to everybody that's graduating today. I'm Alex. I work for the team here at Spotlight in the UK, helping on board our accounting partners, and it's just so cool that you guys have an understanding of some of what we do, which I think sort of echoes what's been said by a few of the speakers. It's a human industry that we're in, and a report, a cash flow forecast, some charts and graphs, they may be great, and it's awesome that you can learn how to use them, but it's ultimately you sitting down with your client, helping them understand their numbers, where the magic happens. And having worked for Spotlight in New Zealand and then come over back to the UK to be closer to family, if there's one thing I've learned about this industry, it's that it keeps the world turning. If all of the accountants in the UK decided not to come to work next week, the world of business would completely grind to a halt. So take huge pride in what you do. We're very proud to have you as partners, and we're celebrating our 15-year anniversary next year. Everyone is welcome to connect with me. I'm really excited to meet more of you. And as you go off into industry, into practice, there's so many different routes you can take. Well done, and take absolute pride in your work. And thank you so much for having us today.
Thank you so much, Alex. Congratulations in advance for your 15th year anniversary. I can see in the participants of this meeting that we have Miranda here as well. So thank you, Miranda and Alex, that joined for joining, this celebration with us. Thank you so much. And next, I would, like to welcome Ashley Wright, partner account manager at Xero. Our students had the opportunity to learn about Xero, got their Xero certifications and valuable insight into modern accounting tools. Everybody, please welcome Ashley.
Hi guys, thank you for having me. Honoured to be invited, and congratulations to you all. I know you've probably all been working very hard to get to this point, so congrats on that. So basically, I'm the account manager for you guys here at Xero. So a little bit about my role. So I work at the moment with over 300 accountants, bookkeepers, advisors, financial experts, basically. So see on a day-to-day basis the difference that these guys make to the small businesses up and down the UK. So I guess without the expertise of you guys learning systems like Xero, a lot of these small businesses, they'd be stuck on the day-to-day of trying to work out the systems, which would take away from, I guess, their chance to flourish at doing what they love, flourish with their small businesses. So your expertise in being able to help them navigate what can be quite challenging systems, especially for a lot of these small businesses that maybe aren't as tech savvy, it can be quite a daunting and scary thing to do, right? To be able to just go in and learn a new system. So without people like you being able to help them, it can be a massive challenge for them. I think just to highlight that, I've got a few stats for you. So 90% of businesses in the UK that fail due to cash flow issues. And through using systems like Xero, what we found is that businesses actually get paid twice as fast when they're hooked up to Xero using Xero invoicing. So if you imagine there your expertise in being able to guide them through that, getting those businesses paid twice as fast is going to lead to the economy and everything else like that just flowing a little bit more. And then on top of that as well, now with tools like AI, we've got things like Sift Analytics, where you can forecast much better within Xero. And again, just giving these businesses clarity over what's coming in the future, because it can be quite scary, the unknown. And if they're sort of, again, doing the day-to-day of their jobs, they'll be really busy. For advisors like yourself to be able to come in and help them understand the numbers and where they could improve the business is massively, massively valuable. And I think just going on to new things, right? So MTD for income tax is a huge thing that's coming up in the UK at the moment. And of that, I think 2.7 million businesses are going to be impacted by MTD. And about half of those have said they need an advisor to be able to help them and guide them through it. So again, that's where your expertise and all the training and, you know, the learning that you've done to get to this point is going to really help people. So what you do does make a massive difference. So congratulations. And like I say, if any of you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, chat further, learn a bit more about Xero, just let me know and I'd be more than happy to help.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ashley. Yes, connect with Ashley if you would like to, you know, be one of his network on LinkedIn. Thank you. And I noticed that we have Mr. Joseph Olabi today with us. I just wanted to thank you for joining this celebration with us. Joseph is a former council member of ACCA, and we are really happy to have Joseph with us celebrating today. Thank you so much for joining. And today, let's go for the most important part of this celebration. And the moment that all of us we've been waiting for. It's time to celebrate each of our graduates individually as they receive their certifications. Each name that Sahel will call represents countless hours of dedication and growth. Let's give all our graduations a warm round of applause. Sahel?
Hello, everyone. Hello. Just before I go through all the names, I just want to take this moment to say that it's been a really great pleasure for me to be with all of you throughout your journey and to witness your growth and commitment. I'm truly proud of each one of you, and I'm really honored to be able to announce the graduates of this cohort.
Sorry, Sahel. Before we start, I think we would love to hear from Mr. Joseph Olabi. Please, sir.
Thank you, everyone. It's a pleasure to join you today. And I'll keep it brief. I know you are pressed on time. A bit about myself, Joseph Olabi. I was the global president for ACCA in 2022, 2023. And I was also a student myself some years back. First, I want to thank Molai for the opportunity and the great work you're doing here. I think it just speaks to your heart and passion. I know we've met more than 14 years ago in London, and a relationship has been very dear to me. I also want to thank Sapiti and Sitare and all the team and all the great work you're doing there. See, a bit about my background. Born in Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria. I wanted to have a global career. I chose ACCA. What's now well over 20 years. I started my career in banking and went on to PwC. But I've worked now in 50 countries around the world. I now lead my own business, one of the first firms in the world focused on climate finance. So we're raising money to solve climate climate issues all the way from Africa and Australia, the US now, and across Europe, also helping with the new standards there. What does this mean for you? It's just an encouragement, right? That wherever you start your career, you can take it anywhere in the world. And I'm a proof of that, not just what I've done in the profession, but what I do in my day-to-day life as a professional accountant. And I've moved from started my career first in IT assurance, penetration testing, IT audit, all of that, moved on to reporting IFRSs. And now what I do in the sustainability space, like I said, literally all around the world. There are three things I want to focus on. I just want to spend 2 minutes with you. First is the changing time. So there's a lot changing. And you know that already. When I was in uni some 26 years ago, I was opening my first email address. And like everybody back in those days, you probably use your date of birth or something very common to you. And we now know we can't do that now, but we used to do that back in the days, right? And now, fast forward a quarter of a century later, the world has changed so much. From trying to open email address and clunky cathode ray computer systems to handheld devices, all of that. In the next 25 years, it's going to be ridiculous. We've started seeing humanoids, we've seen all of those things, AI, and things like that. So just welcome to the change. The second thing I want to bring to your attention is AI, sustainability, all of that is creating more opportunities. So there's a lot of talk out there around accountants losing their job, and that is true to some extent. I speak around this around the world. I'm an associate prof also in some universities across Europe and Australia. So I teach about this also in the classroom. Yes, it's changing, but there's a lot of opportunities for you, and you should be excited about that. So with AI, there's a lot of issues around trust, and you started seeing that deep fakes, all of that. The audit profession will continue to be relevant. That we know already. Sustainability, I've been in that field for about 15 years. It keeps blowing up. In climate finance, there's a lot of opportunities. You can Google that. Go on LinkedIn, check this. There are new jobs coming up there every day, right? So I want you to be excited. It's a good time to choose the profession. The third and final thing there is that you should be ready, flexible to take all these opportunities. So there's a lot of wealth. Yesterday, I read that Elon Musk is now worth over $800 billion. So obviously, it's been projected that you'll be the first human to be worth over $1 trillion. And obviously, they had the transaction, XAI being acquired by SpaceX, all of that. The key thing is there'll be a lot of wealth in your generation. But how do you take advantage of this? There's a lot of variety of things to do. People are doing, influencers. There's all sort of things you can do. So check out for what you're passionate about. Within the profession, there's a lot of variety. Take advantage of these opportunities, and I'll see you at the top. Thank you for having me, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's always inspiring to hear from you, Joseph. Thank you. Thank you so much again for joining us. And also, I know that a member of your team is with us as well. So welcome and thank you for joining us to celebrate. So let's waste no more time and go to the certifications, Sahel. And I want to take this time to also thank Sahel. I haven't seen a more patient person than Sahel in my life. She is really patient with students, and she's a great support. So I really love working with Sahel and enjoy having her at Moracle Foundation. So please, everybody, welcome Sahel, and she will be handing over certifications.
Thank you, Satar. Thank you so much for your kind words. I appreciate it a lot. So I'm just gonna waste no more time, and I'm gonna straight to announcing the names. Okay. I'm gonna start from the first name.
Yeah, sure.
Can you?
Yeah, we can see your screen, and every graduate who their name is is being read by Sahel, they can kind of raise their hand as a sign of receiving their certification.
Okay. I'm gonna start by pronouncing this first name, Adela Guku. Alicia Caston. Arutsiga Christofanander. Arya Nandanan, Benjamin Lynch, Bibi Safir, Brenda Kalina Attili, Danny Mahmood, Elena Hirja, Faith Akande, Honor Pasture, Iliana Ilieva, Kian Man, Laraib Irfan, Lumila Kalina, Mahfood Harzane, Manav Krishnan, Mansoor Akhtar, Muhammad El Mustafa Abdullah Abdulrahman Muhammad, Muhammad Samid Muhammad Ehsan, Muhammad Arbazdin, Mulia Ningsi, Nadia Muhammad, Nicoletta Disheva, Noelia Galvez Vasquez, Rashid Knight, Sasha Ima Sequira, Shanesha Robinson, Sharmika Thayaniti, Shiromi Nigamuni, Subhashini Garrison, Svetlana Levenoka, Yamini Mandalupu Srimalulu, Xiangling Li, Pragnesh Dilip Kumar, Ashwati Kulambil, Eram Ismail, Ifitule Endaluv, Gerson de Jesus Samedu Goncalves, Mohammad Nali Mohammed Anas, Vedant Mishra, Wasim Abbas, Anya Master, Asad Adnan Khosa, Asher Arshad, Bifa Mam, Bismillah Ashraf, Etangve Netangu Ajura Eboki, Gagandip Singh, Gaston Hausilo, Mamadi Mane Sanha, Maria Amir, Mohammad Zohaib Idris, Natasha Linda Nairuba, Pankaja Ekanayake, Petronella Kakovica, Rosangela Del Vecchio, Saidia Anwar, Shiva Kumar, Suraj Kalaparambil, Tanya Sultana Akhi. Thank you, everyone. I just congratulate all of you, and I'm really proud of each one of you, and I'm really happy to be able to be with you throughout your journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sahel. And again, congratulations, everyone. It's really a great time celebrating your achievements, and we are really, really happy to be a part of your journey. And to conclude today's ceremony, I'd like to invite Morlai Kargbo, Managing Director and CEO of Moracle Foundation. We are so thankful to Morlai for all of his tireless efforts and his dedication to Moracle Foundation and creating opportunities like this for our graduates. Morlai, please.
Thank you very much, Satara. Wow, wow, wow. What a morning this has been. I am so happy and grateful. I can't stop saying wow. Yes, and but to our graduates, I'm looking at each and every one of you right now. Yes, this day really belongs to you. Yes, I salute you. Yes, for all that you have, gone through, with us. Every certificate that you receive, yes, represents more than technical knowledge. Yeah, you hear me talking to you all the time. It's beyond, accounting. It represents commitment, resilience, and a decision you made to invest in yourself when it truly mattered. You made a decision, like Sila was saying earlier. Yes, I was there with most of you, making that decision to sign up, to the ACCA Advantage program. And I can see it in your eyes that you really, really wanted this so badly. Yes, and that reminds me, when I was, studying for ACCA, I wanted this qualification so badly, and I can see that in your eyes when you were signing up to the ACCA Advantage, program. So thank you for making that decision. I want to just give you a little bit of, all the time I talk about, how we got where we are today with the ACCA Advantage program. When we decided to design this program, the Moracle ACCA Advantage Internship program, it was really interesting. Yes, and we sat down, we talked about it, and for me, if you know me, if you work with me, you'll find that, it's everything about me is ACCA. I talk about it at home, wherever I go. I wear my badge, every time I touch this badge. When I'm down, I touch it. Whenever it is that I need some uplifting, I touch my badge. My partners, business partners, they know me. Yeah, I don't stop talking about ACCA. Mandy and the other guys, I'm telling you, I'm sorry for boring you with ACCA, but I would never stop talking about ACCA because it's given me so much for me to be able to give back today. Yes. So the Moracle ACCA Advantage Internship was built on a simple belief that when you combine the right skills with the right mindset, extraordinary things happens. Yes, really, really happens. It's happened for me. I've seen so many people, that it's happened for. And you, really, today, you've really proven this belief beyond anything we could have imagined. Yes, there's so many certificates. I was counting the other day, over 120 professional certificates that we've issued. You guys have earned them. You've worked so hard, for the QuickBooks certification, for the Zero certification, for the Spotlight certification, and now we're going to extend it to, digital certification. It's so beautiful. It's so brilliant to see you work so hard and then in collaboration to be able to get the certificates. Yes. The completion rate, the people who have come in and complete, some have decided to extend it. For me, this is what it is about, a community of graduates who genuinely lifted each other. I can see sometimes, when I go into a room and how you guys support each other. You've lifted each other along the way. So I want to thank you for that. Really, really thank you, for being there, for showing up, and be supportive to other people, who sometimes they need a little bit of hand-holding. To our incredible speakers today and mentors, Stepede, William, Louise, Saele, Joseph, Philip, Alex, Miranda, you see there, waving to you, yes. The brilliant Shukesh, Masno, Brenda, Mandy, Ashley, and Yodanka. Yes, Yodanka, your story from being an ACCA Advantage student. Yes, you finish your program, you decide to extend it, and now you are actually an ACCA Advantage, program supervisor. So Yodanka is now, a staff working with us. So from an ACCA Advantage student, to now a supervisor. Well, that is what this Advantage program is about. Yes, I just want to thank you guys for giving your time, each and every one of you. And if I've missed somebody's name, yes, pardon me, but I want to just thank you guys. Thank you for taking the time, your expertise and your encouragement, so generously. You are the reason this program, has, what I call the heartbeat, so thank you. Thank you. I also want to take this moment to express my deepest gratitude to the board, of directors and advisors of Moracle Foundation. Your continued guidance, your wisdom, and unwavering belief, in our mission have been the backbone of everything that we do here. You give your time. Thank you. Your counsel. Thank you. And your passion. Thank you to support young people coming through the profession. I know all of us, are fellows, of the ACCA. We sit in that board, to be able to give back to young people. So I want to thank you again for supporting me, and all the students and all the staff. So thank you, thank you. It is not because you have to, but because you genuinely care about changing lives. Yeah, none of what you have witnessed here today would have been possible without the steadfast support behind the scenes. And these guys, ACCA fellows, yes, who have gone through, a program like this, they know what it means, for each and every student who have come through this program to be able to find the time to give back. I want to thank you. We are truly, truly blessed, so graduates, think about it. You are really blessed, highly favored. Yes, and wherever you go, just like the speakers have said to you, take this with you, leverage it. Yeah, you got so many stuff, waiting for you up there. You got the SCCA, you got other, QuickBooks, Zero, digital, all this software, expert, they're there. So make use of it. And I just want to conclude, to say thank you very much to ACCA. I'm telling you, as I said, without ACCA, I don't know, what I will do, really, for me. It starts with that, So I want to thank you. Yes. You gave me so much for me to be able to give back. And you make it, look so easy. Yes. When people ask me more like, why do you do what you do? Yes. People don't understand. Yes. But really, for me, ACC has given me so much. And I want to be in a position where I have received and I want to give back. And this is one way for me to give back through the Moracle Foundation and to work with the ACC as partner to do this ACC Advantage program. I'm telling you, it's the perfect match, made in heaven. So thank you, ACC. Thank you, Silem. Yesterday I was out there, Anglia Ruskin, and most people don't realize, I went to Anglia Ruskin. That's where I did my ACCA exams. So to be able to go back there, I qualified in 1997. Yeah, to be able to go back again to Anglia Ruskin, that was really emotional for me. I don't know if Sahel picked that up yesterday, but I was really moved, And but thank you, for being there, for Louise, for all the guys, I've even forgotten their names now. So many. I was talking to them and say, we've got so many people now in ACCA supporting this program, guys. We are blessed. So I want to thank you. Yes, and the CEO, everybody out there, and for the director of UK, I want to thank you. Louise, big congratulations. I know you guys are planning lots of stuff for us, so I want to thank you guys. Yeah, and also all our partners. Yes, Zero, QuickBooks, Digital, and my work papers, because that's the program that we use at the moment, to be able to do our audit. Everything that we do is online. There's so much that these guys have got, to give to you guys to receive from us. So thank you guys for believing in what we are building together. Yes, this is only the beginning. Yeah, graduates, I want to leave you with this thought. The qualification that you hold today opens doors, but it is your mindset that will keep those doors open. You are not just entering the accounting profession, you are entering it with a foundation that most people spend years trying to find. Carry that with you. Pay it forward. And never forget that your success story started with a single decision to show up. And you did. On behalf of Moracle Foundation and everyone who has made this program possible, congratulations. We are so proud of you. Thank you all and enjoy the rest of the day. God bless.
Thank you so much, Morlai. It's always inspiring to hear from you. Thank you again, everybody. Thank you, Spotlight Reporting, Zero, my work papers, Digital, amazing ACCA team that always support us. Thank you, everyone. I cannot name everyone because we are running out of time, but thank you for joining us, supporting us, celebrating with us the achievements of our students. Thank you to our amazing Moracle Limited clients who have joined us to celebrate Moracle Foundation students' graduations. And thank you, everybody. I know that we are, past our time. So again, thank you and have a nice rest of your day. And again, congratulations to all of our graduates. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
And just before we go to our graduate students, I wanted to let you know that your certification will be sent over to you. So don't be worried. Sahel will be sending you the certification. So yeah. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice
Thank
day.
you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Have a lovely day. Yes. Thank you. Bye bye now. Bye bye. Bye bye now. Congratulations. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
All your support.
Yes,
Thank
thank
you,
you,
Kala,
thank
too.
you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, thank you, guys. Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
It was
Thank
a
you,
lovely
everyone.
program. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you,
See you on the other side.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay,
Ritika.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you
Thank
guys.
you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
See you later.
Bye.
See you in the other Zoom, everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye. Have a lovely weekend. Have a lovely day.